Hello, so today we are going to upgrade from a M.2 SSD of 476 gigabytes to a Samsung 1990 Pro with 2 terabytes. I'll make a current test, speed test with this SSD, and then I'll make a new one with the upgrade. So this is the current write and reading speeds that I have. I will use now Samsung Data Magician to make the upgrade and then make a new test with the new SSD. And after 3 hours and 21 minutes, finally it's almost finished. This migration to the new SSD. Okay, let's make a test with the new SSD. I'll get you up in the end with the results. And so this is the final result. I think it was a good upgrade on a HP laptop 1040p G9.